In a world threatened by climate change and ecological crisis, solutions like electric vehicles and solar panels aren't enough. We need more nature-based solutions, and we need them fast. Nature-based solutions in forests, soils, and oceans store carbon, enhance biodiversity, provide ecosystem services, and boost climate change adaptation and resilience. NatureTech enables, accelerates, and scales up nature-based solutions. PLANETech is on a mission to discover revolutionary technologies for nature-based solutions, addressing deployment, MRV, transparent resource management, and fostering economic empowerment through meaningful connections. Nature and its services support 50% of the world's GDP. Investing in NatureTech advances climate, biodiversity, and land degradation goals. Join our NatureTech Challenge competition for the opportunity to access fully funded pilots, investment opportunities, and invaluable guidance from top global experts and mentors. PLANETech, accelerating nature for climate.